Yo, I hope everyone's well. It is Monday, the 17th of March. Looking at euro dollar on the 15-minute time frame. Nothing really going on the hourly that I can see at the moment. So we've dollar took sell side here, so dip lower, ran through during London. Took out bar side here, small amount of bar side. Ran into bearish order block, bar side. So just waiting for potentially like a SIBI. Look on the 5-minute time frame. Similar thing, but you can narrow this order block down to here. So bar side, order block, more bar side there. Waiting for a SIBI. Pound, similar thing, bar side here. Look to the left, more bar side. And there's this inefficiency here. That price is tapped into. And again, look to the left. You can say these three candles here, or this candle here takes out minor bar side for the order block. So I just had it drawn out on the 15-minute time frame. With this candle here, takes up that minor bar side there. So that could be the order block. So we've had SIBI, bar side, order block rejected. Dollar. Let's have a look. So this is the 15-minute bullish order block. Sell side's been taken here. BISI here. So we draw BISI from there to there. Look to the left. Well, respect it on the 15. 5-minute, let me see, there's a little bit lower. This one here. Price taps into it there. Sell side there. Let's see if there's a 5-minute order block. Yeah, it'd be this one here. This candle here. That's the 5-minute order block. Let me just move this down. Here, that'd be the order block. Runs into this SIBI here, takes minus sell side. Taps into that, so sell side there. Order block, BISI, rejected. Where could price want to go to? This SIBI here, bar side, daily opening gap. SIBI here, weekly opening gap, bar side. And that's pretty major bar side here. So that'd be the final target if he wants to continue higher, which would bring euro lower. Again, let me get the target if we want to go from here. So midpoint would be this BISI here. Or in a lower discount would be this BISI here. So you can actually mark out here. So it'd be the midpoint of this buy side and balance, sell side inefficiency as the drawn liquidity. There. So selling anywhere above here. Pound. Similar thing. Sell side here would be the drawn liquidity. BISI here as well. So that'd be the draw. Sell anywhere above here. And yeah, let me just do that with dollar as well. SIBI here, so probably the midpoint of SIBI. SIBI there as well, buy side there. So that's where I think euro is going to go for now. So I'll update you guys to see if there's trade entry. Okay, euro dollar. I like this BISI here. I've drawn it out as an inversion. It's closed below and acted as an inversion fair value gap, which I like. Going into the 1-minute. This was the change in state and delivery. So went into the 15 seconds. So this is it here. Just waiting to see if there's a bearish breaker and a fair value gap to enter. So again, we'll update you guys. but I'm just staying patient at the moment. And this is dollar, so this SIBI here, price is finally closed above it. Let's see if it wants to act as an inversion fair value gap, and if it does, then I'd also like to see this act as one, and we can start trading up a little bit higher, potentially taking out this buy side here, but maybe running into this daily opening gap first. So Euro still hasn't presented me an entry. This is the 15 seconds time frame. So anywhere above this white line here, pretty sure. Oh, I just sneezed, sorry. So yeah, anywhere around, I'd say here, so where price is now, I should only be looking for shorts here. So yeah, if it doesn't present one, that is a shame, but we shall see. And again, I'll update you guys, but yeah, I want to definitely see dollar, potentially dollar wants to come back. If it doesn't, then this would be an inversion fair value gap here. Okay, looking at it now again, I was just trying to see if I did miss an entry. For myself, I didn't, because here, for me, doesn't seem like a bearish order block. The only thing it could have done is reclaimed back into this here. So ran into a reclaimed fair value gap here. Change state in delivery. So this potentially, now thinking about it, should have been the entry here. So I'll show you. Reclaim fair value gap there. So it changes state in delivery. There's a high, there's a low, there's a high, high, lower, low. This is the breaker here. There's the fair value gap. That's my entry there. Stop would just be above here. So entry just there. Stop's just above. So it's already a 3-to-1. Sorry, because I keep sneezing, sounds like I've got a blocked nose. But here, look at the 1. I mean, you could target this as a first target. And look at price, it's already taken that there. So stops would have been moved to break even. Take partials, take 75% of it, however you want. Draw this out here. This needs to be an inversion fair value gap. Here, that should be an inversion fair value gap. This one also needs to be an inversion fair value gap. So here, this one might be a little bit stronger as price tapped into that there, ran high, tapped into that there. So that'd be like a last line of defense. And then I'd like to see that one as well. Act as an inversion. But yeah. Sell side's already taken there. It may still want to run into the equilibrium of this price leg here though. So we shall see. Again, sometimes I don't really like to re-enter or get back in again. Or like get back in from a run that's already taken sell side here. But yeah, I'll update you guys. Okay, so let's run back into this bearish order block here. The one that took the buy side. That drew out originally. That was the first order block that we missed the entry here. So second entry. Comes back into that here. Looking for a breaker. I mean, there's not. This one was very clean here. High, low, high, high, lower, low, breaker. This one here, not so clean when it runs into this. I mean, high, low, high, high, lower, low, potentially into here. So entry there, stop above there. So you would have entered now. Potentially. I like how dollar's looking. there, so it's closed above. But yeah, I'll update you guys again. Okay, so still, this is the order block here. Like I said, I didn't like using just that. This is such a clearer breaker. High, low, high, high, lower, low. I mean, why is it breaking so awful though there? Like, it's just using that little wick there. That is annoying. However, it does take sell side here, so it does take the low. So this becomes the breaker. Fair value gap inside this breaker here. So you can get inside this fair value gap here, the fair value gap there. I mean, why it's so annoying, so frustrating. Why it doesn't use it? Why is it not displacing lower? You know, like this. Displacement lower from this low here. Not just like one little wick. So it's frustrating. It just shows that it's not as bearish, but it still could run lower, and it's just frustrating. Dollar closed a little bit below that, but this is an inversion fair value gap there, so I still like that. Pound is just struggling, trading a little bit sideways. But yeah, I'll update again. Okay, so update. This was the low that price ran from this breaker here that took out sell side. So this is the new sell side here. I like the fact that price has left this low intact. So people think this is going to be support. Still inside this breaker here. This is the breaker here. So still inside this breaker. Looking on the one, this is an inversion fair value gap here that price respected, broke below, came above, broke below again, and is respecting it again. So I want to see this continue to be respected and start seeing price trade lower. Dollar. Our news is just released actually at 8:30. So anyone who's actually in the trade would have been taken out anyway. And let's see if it wants to run for this low now. So where was my drawn liquidity? It was here, at this midpoint here, was my drawn liquidity, because it was the equilibrium from the high to the low. Dollar, daily opening gap, where was the drawn liquidity? So draw from high to the low. It would be this midpoint here. There. Still respected this inversion fair value gap. Pound. Sell side would be drawn liquidity. So yeah, I don't think anything's changed with my bias. I'm still bearish. Euro has hit the midpoint, so it has hit the drawn liquidity. Pound hasn't, dollar hasn't, so euro could continue lower. But yeah, as I was saying with this sell side here, I like the fact that it left these lows in place, because people are going to think that's support, sorry. And as you can see, the price does run through again the order block here, 5-minute inversion fair value gap. Probably would have wiped anyone who was long, who was short, and moved their stops from here, equal highs. Price takes that. But yeah, still at the moment bearish for euro. If that changes, I will let you know. If not, I will update in a couple hours or whenever if dollar hits this midpoint here of the wick. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed how I found the drawn liquidity. Again, I didn't get in because this was I would have loved this one here. So that breaker here. That was beautiful here. So displacement lower, taps into that, absolutely runs lower like instantly. Look, you're in the trade for what, 2 minutes? That's just a low resistance liquidity run right there. Takes that sell side. A nice 3-to-1. Your entry's there. Stops just above. Nice 3-to-1. This one here makes a high, low, high, high, lower, low. I just didn't really like the fact that there's so many fair value gaps here. Obviously, you can treat them as breakaway gaps, and that shows you that they're bearish. But for me, price could always just want to tap into that. Where are you going to put your stop? So my stop would have been at least like 7 pips. So the risk reward just wasn't there for me. Otherwise, if the risk reward was better, I would have got in, and potentially would have been taken out with the news. So I'm quite lucky that I wasn't in this trade. So yeah, I will update you guys. If not, have a great week, and I will speak to you soon. Okay, pretty much final update. So pound, if it wants to continue lower, then this inversion fair value gap will have to be respected. Dollar ran into the midpoint of this, so that was pretty much the lowest fruit from the tree, the drawn liquidity from the equilibrium. So the dollar could end up having to run lower, which would push pound higher and euro higher. So if anyone was in pound short, then pretty much take partials and move stops break even just in case. But dollar could still continue higher. Euro obviously has already tapped into its target. And so yeah, pound was the sixth sister, so it may want to catch up, but as you see, it's closed above. Don't really like that. That'll be the last draw on liquidity. Last draw, last defense will be this inversion fair value here. Price hasn't even really respected it much anyway. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Shout out to the Inner Circle Trader for using, for teaching PD rates for free on YouTube. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if you've got any questions. And yeah, I was just using my laptop today, not my monitor, so that's why the video might be like a little bit zoomed in or whatever like that, or the audio might be a little bit different. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, see you soon, and yeah, see you on the next one. Be safe. Okay, bonus clip for you guys if you're still at the end. So the benefit for using the 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame is there's going to be lots of draws on liquidity throughout the day. So say you've missed that run up higher, we've had minor buy side here, CB here, volume imbalance inverted here, closure below there. So at 9 o'clock, then this is your confirmation for dollar to want to run lower. So you'll be looking at euro to run higher, bullish order block here, sell side there, BISI here, closed above there nicely. So where does price want to run to? Buy side here. And then where's pound? Pound's already ran buy side here, but pound had this BISI here, sell side here, order block here, there, rejected, 855. So, and you guys can find an entry, but yeah, anywhere between there is where you want to buy. Is that an order block? You guys tell me. Low, high, low, low, high, high. Entry. Run on buy side. Entry there. Stop. Has to be below there. So it's only about a 2-to-1. But let's go on to the 15. Next draw could be there, so you know that trade. But yeah, that's a bonus clip for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe. And yeah, if you guys are into golf, it's the Players Championship, Rory McIlroy versus JJ Spawn on the playoff, which is just started now. So I'm actually rooting for JJ Spawn. So obviously I don't mind who wins, but I like McIlroy to win, but hopefully JJ Spawn does win. It'd be good for him. So yeah, be safe, and I'll speak to you guys soon.